Hi there, it's Nicole from Right at Home, and today I'm going to show you a closer peek at the Snuggly Squirrel stamp and die set from our fall release. Here I'm starting by building the squirrel, and I'm going to use a few different shades of brown ink, and all of these colors will be listed in the description box below. So I like to start with the body of the squirrel and then work outwards. So I stamped the tail and then the tops of the ears. And then I'm also going to add a few of the detail layers while I'm at it in a darker ink color. For the body of the squirrel, I like to use like a light vanilla color, and this one is by Hero Arts. And then I can just fill in the rest of his face and ears using some pink ink and then also the dark brown again. So here's a peek at the squirrel once he's all finished, and you'll notice that the coordinating die set also cuts around his paws so that you're able to slip in one of the other little images that I'll show you later on. Here you can see me stamping the scarf, which has 2 layers so that you can make it multicolored, and you can see how that layers well over top of him. And then here I'm moving on to the little apple. That's one of the add-on images, and I have a couple different layers for it so that you can add a lot of color. There's 2 layers for the body, the stem, and then 2 layers for the leaf. And you can see how that looks once it's all finished. And then here I'm stamping a little acorn. There's 3 different layers, the bottom, the top, and then a little detail for the top. And then I'll show you how that looks when you nestle it inside his arms. The last little image included is a little flower, and I'm of course going to stamp it in the colors of a sunflower. And then you can just tuck that into one of his arms. I hope you enjoyed this closer peek at the Snuggly Squirrel stamp and die set from our fall release. Make sure to head over to rightathomeshop.com to download the coordinating stamping guide, as well as to see some of the other new items that were released. I hope you have a great day, and make sure to subscribe before you leave. Bye!